Hello. So first we have stage number 5. First we take this arm and this piece, and that goes into like so. Like so, and then we take this arm, and that goes in here, and like so. And then we need the right housing we did in stage 4, and this just slots like so, and uses a JM screw. Like so. And then we take this support and that just slips on like so, and that uses 3 JM screws like so. Then we take the starter, and that just slots on here, and then we take the starter solenoid, and that just slips on like so. Then we take the bottom piece, and this goes on like so with a HM screw. Like so. And then we take the right side and the bottom side, and that just slots into here, and that uses three BM screws. Like so. Then we need the rear cover, and this smaller cover goes on like so, and then this small piece goes on like so. And with that, stage number 5 is complete. And then we have stage number 6. And here we have the left side of the gearbox. First this goes on like so, with a BM screw, like so, and then we need to assemble a CV joint. Then we take this fork, this center, and uses 2 IM screws, like so, and then we take the other half, and again using 2 IM screws, or not. They are asking for FM screws, like so, and then we take the flex disc and put this half on it like so with an IM screw, like so, and then we put the other half with 2 GM screws, like so, and then we put the tulip on here with also GM screws, like so, and then that goes on here with a CM screw, like so, and then we take the assembly from last stage, and that goes on like so, and that uses a BM screw here and here, like so, and then we take the rear cover that goes on like so, and is attached with 3 FM screws, like so, and then we take the exhaust mount that goes on like with 4 IM screws, like so, and that is stage 6 complete. Looking massive. And then we have stage number 7, and here we have part of the engine. You can see 6 cylinders on either side, so 12 cylinders arranged in a flat 12 configuration, and it's metal. But first we need to assemble the cylinders. They all say A, so go like so, and like so. Then we need to mount them to the engine. Like so, with a IM screw. Then the other cylinder. like so. Then we take the support bracket and that goes like so with 3 BM screws like so, and then we take this panel, that just snaps together like so. And snaps in place. And yeah, the holes are different sizes. And yeah, just snaps in place like so. And that is kit number 7 complete. And the final stage of this box is number 8. And here we get a set of tweezers. Always nice to have. And then we need to assemble some cylinders. These are all labeled B. And they just snap together. Like so, we should have 8 cylinders. Then we take the oil filter housing and put the cover on top, like so. Then we take the oil pump and we need to put a oil hose on either side. Like so, and that goes on here like so. And then we take this cylinder from stage 7 and that goes on like so with a CM screw. Like so. And then we take the gearbox and that just slips on like so and uses 3 BM screws, and that is stage 8 complete and box number 2 complete.